Now that she's actually out the box, I see that her hair is long and wavy with the pink highlights. I am in love with this doll. I just want more and more of her. I want more and more of these dolls. Now I'm like debating on going to the store and getting another Clawdeen Wolf Monster High doll. But a different style, different version. I'm not sure what this one is called. It's just a single pack. Let's see, she has the hat on. And I see that her ears have like little holes on them. Like I seen like some people put earrings on her ears. I don't know, but I'm in love with her. She's beautiful. She's a beautiful Monster High doll. And I just seen like Claudia as well. I think that I want to get Claudia too. But I love this doll. I was never really a big fan of Monster High, but this is my first one. Like Monster High is like so couple years old now, and I'm just now getting one of their dolls. And wow, she's beautiful. Wow, I'm like so happy I have one now. But you can see the hands, the pattern on the dress. There's like a mesh at the top. It's so cute. I hope you guys that do have some Clawdeen Wolf dolls like subscribe to my channel. I haven't been really uploading, but I have other dolls that I'm gonna do reviews on. So yeah.